Hey y'all, today we're going to be installing these headlights from Anzo USA into this 2021 Tacoma. These are for the halogen models, so that's going to be your SRs and SR5s. It's completely plug and play. Let's jump right into it. First thing we need to do is remove these two 10mm bolts that hold on the grill. And then on either side, there's going to be one of these clips that need to just get removed with a flathead. Let's pop that out. Alright, so now we're going to remove this grill assembly. It was just held on by those two bolts and those two clips. It's going to feel like it's going to break, but you just need to be gentle with it, but firm. And then we're going to remove this one TSS clip. We'll pull from the top. There we go. Slide it out. There we go. And pop this out right here. Alright, and the grill is loose. Alright, so it's not a huge deal, but the next step we need to do is remove this bumper cover. There's a bracket with a bolt that holds on the headlight assembly right in here. So we're going to need to go under this fender liner here, remove the bolts that hold that on, and then we're going to pop out this part of the fender flare right here, and that should give us the access that we need. Let's start on the passenger side. One bolt here. This clip right here just pops out. So work your way in, twist, done. Now let's work our way under the vehicle. So from down here, it looks like the only two holding on to the fender liner is this outside 10mm and this one over here by the edge. All right, so down here we've got two 10mm bolts that we need to remove. All right, so now I'm just going to repeat the process on this side. All right, so next up we're going to release these fender flares. From what I read online, it's best to just reach in behind them and push out on the clips. Gives it a much better seal when you reinstall it later. So there we go. Feels like it's out. It's kind of grabbing. There we go. Alrighty. Good deal. I'm gonna just repeat the process on this side. Two clips. This bottom one is coming loose easily, but this top one was fighting me. So I brought a flat head. Let's see if I can get some better leverage on that clip and release it. There we go. All right, next up are these 6 clips that hold in the front bumper. Let's go ahead and pop them out. All right, so to release the bumper cover itself, I'm gonna pull out and over right there, and you hear a click, and then you're just gonna pull. And now it's free. So now that that's slid down, I'm gonna bring you over here. All right, so now we can see the reason why we needed to move this bumper cover out of the way. It's just this one 10mm bolt, and let's go ahead and remove it now. Let's pop that out. There is a plastic clip holding in the bottom part of this bracket here, but I don't think it needs to come all the way out. We just needed that one bolt. Next up, we have two 10mm bolts that hold in this headlight assembly, and there's one clip down there. So pull on that clip and it should come out. Pull up here. Looks like this tab is holding on to the headlight assembly. Be gentle, this is just soft plastic. There we go. And the headlight assembly is out. Now that we've unbolted the headlight assembly, let's go ahead and unclip the factory harness. All right, now it's free. All right, so now we have this headlight assembly from Anzo USA. We're just gonna use the factory harness. It's completely plug and play. Let's go ahead and do it. Go. And that's the last one. So, it should just slide right into place. Everything should line up. That one goes there. Just pop in. Look at that. All right, so let's go ahead and install this 10 mil. It goes right in here where we took it out from that bracket before. Don't tighten too hard, it is in plastic. All right, so now we just have these two 10mm bolts up here. Be gentle, this is plastic. Snug them down. All right, everybody, so here they are installed. They're the Anzo USA 11396 model. Again, they're for the halogen models, so your SRs and SR5s, and they're completely plug and play. So far, I'm really happy with them. I need some more time to test them out, but the fit and finish seems really nice. I think they look incredible on this truck, and I am a happy camper so far. If you have any questions, please drop a comment in the section below, and I'll do my best to answer them. And thank you for watching.